1, 2, 3, 4. Love for you is growing strong. Do you know where I belong? I belong at home with you. Your naked body gives me rest. You always make me feel the best. Wishing I was home with you. But my work, it takes me far away, missing you every single day. And I can't sleep knowing you are sad. Is it normal to love a girl so bad? I dream of us just sitting down, drinking coffee in a town, telling you you are my home. A Polaroid is my embrace, a lonely picture of your face as I drown and dream of home. But my work, it takes me far away, missing you every single day. And I can't sleep knowing you are sad. Is it normal to love a girl so bad? Love for you is growing strong. Do you know where I belong? I belong at home with you. I sit here writing, never knowing what to say. These feelings always come to me like air. I'm one of a million other writers in LA, lost and lonely, looking for a place. Trouble will come, it'll be okay. Martha the girl, always happy with her work, was told she only had 4 weeks to live. Never knowing pain or a heart that could be vain, she drew grew inside and hung out with herself. Trouble will come, it'll be okay. Alfred the dude who is caught up being rude took his jokes and traveled across the state, hoping that his crowd would double and he'd be proud. He quickly learned he couldn't fill a seat. Trouble will come, it'll be okay. Making her stay late, even though her house is full of kids. I am her child and my heart is growing wild. I do not know how this bad seed will grow.